So this is me creating the final actual page, just demonstrating the production process of one of the main pages of my magazine. So I'm taking the the intro page with the model's name, just so I can get the right shade of green and reference it for the style. And then I'm just counting what photos I have used on that page to see which ones I can use for the main one. So I'm just loading the photos in here. And I'm choosing to sort out the layout after I've loaded all of them in. So I'm just picking which one I want on the left side and which on the right. So I've decided to go for the one where she's holding the sign is going to be the large photo on the left, and then I'll have two photos on the right. So I'm just adding a line down the centre to help me centre everything properly and give me a frame of reference, and I've just lowered the opacity on that a bit so it's less distracting. And also to help me align properly with the look of a magazine. So now I'm just adjusting the size of those other two images so it looks nice and balanced and it doesn't look too heavy on the bottom or the top. And now I'm just looking for the flower graphic, which was the purple one, because it contrasts nicely with the green, and just getting rid of that extra little bit there, and then just applying this in the same way that I did with the other one to the corners of the images. Again, I just did this to create some depth and to bring in that nature theme, because the whole point of the project is to talk about insecurities and how natural they are and kind of help people accept them and deal with them. So the flowers bring in that nature theme and kind of symbolise growth and acceptance of all of these different insecurities. So there I am, just adding those flowers and blending them in nicely with the rest of the layout, just to meld everything together properly. This is basically the same process for all of the layouts, which is why I only recorded one of them. It's just making sure I have the same background colour and making sure that the title page of each person and their main page actually match and look similar in style together. So I just overlapped that flower with two photos, just to ensure it wasn't too busy and to kind of tie them together a little bit more. And then I think I'm just adding one more at the bottom there, just to fill in that kind of little empty corner, making that quite small so it doesn't interrupt the rest of the photo, and aligning it nicely with the rest. And I think there is my layout. So I'm just checking it against the other one, and I was happy with it and exporting it.